Hi, welcome to the tutorial for setting up Android SDK in Eclipse. For no-hassle use of Eclipse, please install an Java Development Kit and Java Runtime Environment, or you can download it on www.oracle.com/downloads before using Eclipse. Open your browser and go to www.eclipse.org/downloads. Download the package solution Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And for downloading this package, it's depending on the operating system that you will use. It's either Windows 64 or Windows.
After download the Eclipse files, we'll extract the folder to any location you want to save the file. Open your browser again, go to www.android.com, find at the bottom of the page and click for developers, and then you'll find Android SDK. After clicking Android SDK, in this page, you will find Standalone SDK. If your platform is Windows, download and click here, and the file will automatically downloaded.
After downloading the Android SDK, extract the folder to any location you want to save the file. After extract the file, you will copy this link because you will use it later on. The Eclipse. Then click Help, then install new software, then paste the link you copy in work with, click Add, rename it Android SDK. It also need internet to install it.
After downloading the developer tools, you will open the Android SDK Manager and click all the build tools and Android 2.3.3 and install package. Accept license and install. It takes time to download all its needed tools